Hey guys, and welcome to Quarantine Cooking, episodes where we'll show you healthy dishes that'll help you look better, feel better, and live longer. This is your host Lino, and today we're looking for a source of joy. It's all about indulgent sweetness. Simple, delicious, fast, and easy. We're going to find it in one of the most popular native delicacies. You may be wondering what it is. This native delicacy appears everywhere in the Philippines. Come over to the table and I'll show you the ingredients. So here's what you need. We're going to need about this much coconut milk, 2.5 cups. We're cooking 1-to-1 ratio on this. So 2.5 cups of coconut milk to 2.5 cups of sticky glutinous rice. This is a tad bit over 2.5 cups. What we're going to do with that is we're going to reserve it with something that we're going to use later. We're going to need this much muscovado brown sugar. What that means is this is mostly unrefined. It retains most of the molasses flavor. We're also going to need a pinch of salt just to liven the flavor and balance it all out. This is the star of the dish though. A tiny bit of lemon zest, which adds zing, depth of flavor. We're also going to add tiny slices of ginger. Basically, it's good for the body. We're also going to be needing about 2 pieces of pandan leaves. That's going to give a very nice aroma to the dish while cooking it in banana leaves. Does this spark joy to you? Now the cookware that I use isn't just ordinary cookware. It was made to help maintain the optimal levels of our vitamins and nutrients in the food that we cook, while also protecting the color, the texture, and the natural flavor of the ingredients. There is no doubt that we are becoming more focused on what we eat and how we can lead a healthier lifestyle. So, let's go ahead and cook this. Join me in the kitchen for your cooking inspiration. So we began by washing our glutinous rice, also called sticky, sweet, or waxy rice. It is called glutinous in the sense of being glue-like or sticky, and not in the sense of containing gluten. Nope, it does not. Sticky rice is used in many recipes. Champurrado, arroz caldo, and suman are some Pinoy favorites among a long list of other dishes. This is so easy, we're just mixing everything up. Once that's done, we'll just let it hang out and soak for about an hour before cooking it. We'll line our electric skillet with the banana leaves and put the pandan in. Then we just empty out the bowl onto it. We'll set our probe to 230°C until it slightly bubbles like normal rice. We'll then just set the probe later to rice cooker settings and leave it. Easy, right? But this is where the fun begins, making the latik. It's pretty straightforward too. It's a residue of the coconut milk or cream achieved when it's cooked at medium-low heat over a period of time while stirring regularly. Don't forget to check on the Biko and set your probe. Now latik refers to 2 different coconut-based ingredients in Filipino cuisine. In the Visayan region, it's a syrupy, caramelized coconut cream used as a dessert sauce. While in the northern parts of the Philippines, it's the coconut curds that begin to form when the cream releases its natural oils, and these solids begin to form and are left to fry until golden brown. It's commonly used as a topping in rice cakes such as maha blanca, sapin-sapin, and kalamay sa latik. And that's what we're going to use for this dish. Once that's done, slice it accordingly and serve. And we're done! That took a little bit of time, but I think we've found our source of joy. But of course, before I try it, let me give proper thanks to TLC, Titanium Lining Corp, for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to visit their page and drop them a like. And it's right here. So usually, what we would do is medyo palalamigin muna natin siya. We'll cool it just a little bit. Now, these are so awesome. These are so awesome because you just have to dry out the coconut milk and just stir and stir. These are fun little native delicacies. You could serve them up in little banana leaves. So this one is usually served sa bahay ni Lola, along with hot chocolate, coffee, snack time. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I can't get enough of this. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. Now I'm gonna go and enjoy this little plate of Biko right here. See you in our next video.